What's up, y'all? That was sheer coincidence that picture was up. It'll change in a minute, but Kim has pictures that just go through there. Was it every 10 seconds or something? I guess it's not going to change. At this exact moment, I am working on this area because we started it during Saturday Morning Live, Season 5, Episode 16. We'll put the link up here in the corner, or that corner, whatever freaking corner it decides to show up in. And the topic came up about folding hand trucks. And Jay with Locks New York, said to do a hand truck video. So I'm doing a hand truck video. I've actually done a hand truck video. See, I told you it would change. I've actually did one on these guys, or at least the blue one, or the Office Depot version, and I never uploaded it. It's sitting in a file somewhere, and it will probably be almost identical to this. But I have two different hand trucks, and you might be thinking, well, what do you need a hand truck for? Well, you need a hand truck to move heavy crap to save your back, because none of us are getting any younger. The only problem with it is most of the time they're sitting here. Well, they were there, but now they're right here, and they're going to go find their own new home, which is supposed to be in my truck, and they aren't. So obviously a fixed cart like this has been around here forever, has limited uses in the field compared to that. Now this can carry a lot of weight. We've stretched it out. We've actually literally stretched it out. This one, dang it, Wes showed me one day. He brought it over and I was like, yep, gotta get one. It's got little bungee cords that you could strap stuff on. I've not really had a use for this guy yet. But it does fold up, and the reason I was kicking the wheels earlier is because it still looks like this wheel is not going all the way out. We were talking about these on Saturday Morning Live, and somebody was saying, like, Menards has one, Costco has one, and as you see, as it goes down, basically all you have to do is just let it down, and the wheels supposedly fold in like that. Then you push that button, and it collapses down to a fairly manageable level. But that's good for things that you would need this for. Like if you want to carry a heavy toolbox, like right here. I wouldn't want to carry that out to my truck, but we got to get it out to my truck. So let's just get it on. You could strap, but that's stupid. That's stupid. Oh, look at that. Much easier. Come on. we see how that did. Not bad. Now, this fella is a whole different ballgame. It's plastic. It's from Office Depot. The website right now listed for $40, but I've gotten them on sale for like 25-ish before. So stands open. This is the lid that snaps on. Honestly, the snap-on lid part doesn't hold up real great, but it is plastic. Inside, you have a flip-down section, basically, and it flips down, catches on 2 hooks right there. So this is the weak part of this, y'all. Just so you know, right there, when it goes down into those hooks underneath, that's all that's holding whatever's in here. I had to retire. I had a black one before this. Push, so there, fixes in position, here, fixes in position. And if you put the lid on, it's not tight, like it can pop off pretty easy. So it's definitely not a tight lid. But honestly, you're probably not gonna, you may or may not need the lid depending on how much you gotta carry around in it. So it's a lot lighter than that, but it's not really designed for tools. It's designed for office stuff. But what I use it for, I guess I could really say what I just used it for, going into one of our hospitals to do some work, which is a long walk, even though I have a close parking spot. So alarm lock T2. Yep, you sit right there. We had 2 lever handles that were in these size boxes. So let's get you a better view here. All right, so these are same size boxes. It wasn't IC, it was passage. So yes, you can. Okay, that's too wide. That number, I think we could fit one there. And I believe they would fit, believe it or not, luck of the gods, luck of the locksmith gods, there. So if you had several of these, you could fit, I think it was 2, okay, hold on. There we go, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a larger box door closer. Probably could even go there if you were to use you want to use your lid. Yes, there we go, look at that. It handles it perfectly. This is excellent for having to take a lot of hardware at one time. So if you weren't doing this many, the other good thing is you can go without the lid. Sometimes I just leave the lid in my truck. I've got all these out of the truck now, and I'm gonna have to put them all back just for y'all. So, all right, let's just say we have 6 lever handles to install. That's not uncommon. We need my tool bag. This is just an example. This is what I use. Got my router, got my big drill, got my drop cloth, which I can actually loop this over the handle here so it doesn't go anywhere, but usually I don't do that. Just showing you what is capable with this guy, and then say we just had to throw in a jig or something, just drop it right there. All right, so there we go. Now we're going to the job and just have to be a little more careful with it. So yeah, this guy very, it's wobbly. Yeah, you got to be careful. If you go crazy with this, you're gonna break it, obviously. So whenever I'm using this guy, I'll sometimes like give it a little hand just to keep the stress low on it. The other one I had, the one that I had to retire, didn't break right here, but what happened was the bottom started separating too much. Remember those little clip things? They just wouldn't hold anymore, so had to retire it. It's actually still around here somewhere, but anyway, that's my whole spiel on hand trucks. Obviously, that guy, we're not really talking about him, but this is the shop mover. This is just basically what I take my lock containers, these in and out, but I could just as easily do it with that Milwaukee, and I'm not gonna say that, I shouldn't say that, that's terrible. a Milwaukee mobile hand truck. You can slip it easily in a crack or crevice in your truck somewhere. That one, definitely, if you know you're going to be carrying a large amount of hardware somewhere, it's definitely good to have so that you can, you know, just don't have to juggle stuff. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments or any other ideas, post them in the comments section. I've probably put screenshots of all like the prices and all that, trying to make professional videos here, damn it. But if I haven't, yeah, there's other ones out there. We don't have a Menards here, which looks like they had all Milwaukee stuff. So I don't know what's going on with that, but there are a bunch of different Milwaukee style ones. But just to specify, this is the $50 version, and the mobile hand truck was $40. So steel and heavier duty for close to the same price. I would definitely just keep your eyes open if you go to Office Depot often, or if you're on the website, maybe you can catch a sale, or if you have a discount coupon. But that guy, if you do have to haul hardware around, you know, it works pretty good. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments on this video or any other ones, post them in the comments section. And that's my task for the next couple of hours. Oh, look at that handle flex. Alright. Treat it like I always treat my stuff. Okay? This is gonna be a problem. Tuck you in there. I knew if I didn't do that, y'all would get mad at me. So there you go. Uh-oh. Perfect. Thanks for being part of this channel. Make sure to hit that subscribe button up here and check out some of these other videos that we've done. We really do appreciate y'all watching. Make sure to hit that thumbs up. We'll catch you next video.